Hello everyone, welcome back to the question number 3, the hardest puzzle of today's puzzles. Take a look at this pyramid and see if you can solve it before I do. Only one number is missing. What do you think belongs at the top? Most people see the negative numbers and immediately assume the rule must be complicated, but it's actually much simpler than it looks. Let's start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the numbers 3 and 4. The number above them is 3. What happens if we multiply the right number by 3? 4 times 3 equals 12. Now square the left number. 3 squared equals 9. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. Exactly the number we needed. Let's test again. 3 times 3 equals 9. And 2 squared equals 4. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Works perfectly. One more time. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 1 squared equals 1. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. So now we found the rule. The rule is top number equals right number times 3 minus left number squared. Now let's move up one row between 5 and 5. 5 times 3 equals 15 and 5 squared equals 25. 15 minus 25 equals minus 10. For the next pair, 3 times 3 equals 9 and 5 squared equals 25. 9 minus 25 equals minus 16. So far, so good. So we are at the final step. This is where most people get confused because of the negative numbers. But if we take it slowly, it's actually pretty easy. Square 10 equals 100. Then multiply 16 by 3 equals minus 48. Now subtract. Minus 48 minus 100. That equals minus 148. So the final answer is minus 148. What's interesting is that the rule itself isn't difficult at all. The puzzle just looks intimidating enough to make your brain search for something much more complicated. By the way, what was your first guess before seeing the solution? I'm curious to know how close you got. See you in next videos with new tricky puzzles and IQ challenges.